Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? As you can see, I am filming today's video with my chair. The chair I ordered from 1688. Can you see it? It's so comfy. So guys, if you are new here, my name is Goodness Ocheche Emmanuel Orifa. I teach on importation, teach on business. I give business tips like that. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. If you are interested in learning more about China importation and so much more. So guys, today's video is about the new Alipay update. As you all know, apps are always being updated time to time. They always have new updates. And as your one and only importation coach, you know that I will always come here to give you new updates wherever there's any new update on Alipay of 1688 app. So guys, there's this new update on Alipay since I think about 1 week now, about the face verification. If you have watched my Alipay video of how to register and verify your Alipay, if you have watched it, you will notice that when you want to register your own, the face verification is no longer where it was before. It is now in another area, and I had it in mind to film this video a few days ago before I saw a comment. Someone dropped a comment about it, about not being able to find the face verification on where it was before from my video that I did on how to register and verify your Alipay. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to verify your face. So let us jump right into the video. So to verify your face on the Alipay app, click on the app like this, then click on account. Now look up before the settings, or below the settings icon on your right hand side. There's an arrow in the line where your name is. Then click on it, click on the arrow on your right hand side up. Click on it like this. Then click on my name card. Click on it. Now you can see unverified. So from here, just click on the unverified, click on it and wait for it to load. So that's it. You can see where it says upload passport and verify face. So click on it, then wait for it to load. It will now take you to where you will verify your face finally. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it is helpful to you, and don't forget to drop comments if you have anything you want me to bring update on, or you want me to talk about concerning 1688 and Alipay. Drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and you don't want to miss out on anything about importation update and all of that. Subscribe so that you always get notification whenever I upload new videos, and don't forget to share these videos. Thanks for watching once again. See you in my next video. Bye.